Hi there everybody, thank you for joining us today. My name is Gary with Colorlight. I'm at our showroom, and I'm really excited to show you our new LED screen processor, X100. It is the most powerful LED screen processor ever. It's capable of driving up to 100 million pixels, which is equivalent to 12 of 4K LED screens. Let's now dive into X100 features with a few slides.
As we know, higher resolution LED screen improves image quality in a manner. With the video industry technology evolution, large LED wall with high resolution used in applications such as corporate, church, concert, control room, etc. is not new anymore. This sketch explains how videos are distributed to a high resolution LED screen in a common integration. Video sources are fed to a video matrix. The matrix disperses video signals to multiple LED processors, and these processors drive LED screen through Ethernet cables. The higher resolution of the screen, the more video devices will be needed. This would result in challenging of synchronizing content and video cabling on a wide variety of display media. The problems lie in lack of sufficient processing power, communication difficulties between proprietary systems, and the need to make the content that will play back at a sufficient speed. Increasing the number of video devices in a video system would also bring the cabling difficulties and challenging the project budget. To address these industry-wide problems, Colorlight researched and considered possible solutions. These efforts led to the development of the X100 processor. This slide presented Colorlight X100 control solution. It significantly reduces unnecessary devices, make the system integration easier than ever before. Now let's take a look at the X100 hardware architecture. It's got 8 input slots. Each slot can fit an input card with maximum 4 4K ports, so maximum 32 inputs via 8 slots. Single input card supports 4K at 60p. There are various of video input cards that are available for X100, such as HDMI 2.0, DP 1.4, DVI, 12G SDI, VGA, and AV over IP ports. Users can simply add new input or output cards to support future signal interfaces. This slide shows its output. It's got 8 output slots. Each slot can fit either 1G copper or 10G fiber card. There are 2 of 10G outputs on each fiber card, 8 1G outputs on each copper card. Its total output pixel capacity up to 100 million, which is equivalent to 12 4K LED screen pixel count. The X100 combines video matrix, video switcher, and LED processor into one single chassis. It can take a wide variety of video input formats and output video signals to LED screen via either 10G optical fiber or 1G copper. It can be controlled through TCP/IP, IS-232 across multiple platforms, such as iOS, Android, or Microsoft. A HDMI monitoring port is also available for overview of any input and output in the system. X100 is not just simply stacking multiple different devices together. Except the hardware benefits, X100 has also many useful functions that features in various applications. It supports HDR10 and HLG to represent a sharper, more vivid, and more lifelike image. The X100 has also built in a stereo 3D engine that creates 3D illusion from side by side to the images with using active 3D glasses. Users can switch display mode between 2D and 3D by a single click. It supports wide frame rates range from 2398 Hz to 240 Hz that perfectly fit for esports, film production, virtual reality project needs for the LED screen. It can do up to 16 freely assignable and mixable PIP layers, each PIP up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz. 4 rack units and 7 rack units chassis are available for X100. Users can choose the most suitable chassis and customize its input and output according to their project needs. There are many other features that I couldn't cover them all in this short presentation. Please follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook to review the recordings and our latest technologies. If you have any questions, please type your questions in the message window. We will be getting back to you in real time.